Okay, this video is dealing with some of the cleos stuff, which is part of EOS. So if we start with listing out the wallets, we can see, firstly let's just clear this. So if I list the wallets out, I've got two wallets. The star indicates it's locked or unlocked, so if I'm going to, I can lock this cleos wallets lock, and that's locked now, so if I list it's gone now. So what I've done with this is I've got, this is all testnet, I've got some passwords here, and I've set this up here as well to make it a bit easier to unlock them. So this is the default, it's taken the data from here. So if I'm going to unlock this now, I can unlock, and I can unlock, and the stars come back, meaning it's unlocked. So with the keys, we have the private and public key. So the way this works, if I say cleos, I can create key, and this, I need the two console. So this is, we can do as many of these as we like, they're just creating key pairs, but if we want to relate this now to one of the accounts, then we then have to import it. In the same way I can create several wallets if I want to, so I can say create, what is create, let's just look at the, so these are things we can do here. So I can so here's the public keys from the wallets. So we want to create the, okay, so what I'm going to say, create wallet, and then if I say create, we can see the options I have here. Okay, so I'm going to say create wallet, wallet create, and we'll start a new one called John. Oh, I need two console, and then this is my new password for this. We have to save these. We can't recover passwords. So if I'm going to now, I'm going to say password John. So I created a new wallet, and if I want to list out this wallet list, so I've now got John. It's just been created, so it's got the star by it. Okay, so I've been creating various keys up here. Now if I want to use one of these, say this one, and we can see this is the public key for it, I'm going to say cleos wallet import, and then I can say private key. The private key obviously is unique, so I'm not sure if I need quotes here. Let's just try this. Right, so it's done the import, and it's brought back this figure here. If we come up here, we can see this is the public key here. Now if I now list out wallets keys, we can see, so we've been doing a few different imports here. So we've got different keys. So this is the one we've now imported to this, because we didn't specify a name here, this has now gone to this default. If we want to take another key, say we want to take this key, then we can put this into, say, the John one, and we can say import John private key. So we've now put that key into the John wallet. So if I now list out my keys again, I should be getting this, which I am. I'm getting that here. So what we've proved with this is we can create new wallets. We can lock them and unlock them. To lock them, we just say lock and then the name. So this is locked, and then to unlock them we say unlock, and then we put in the password. So we say unlock here. Help. We can say the name and then the password. Password is, we have to save that, so as I gave you the example, that's the password for the John account there. So to unlock we would say cleos wallet unlock -n John and then the password. So that concludes something about the cleos management of wallets and passwords and keys, which is the sort of starting point with EOS. This is all on a test net. So what we're doing here is creating these wallets in this environment that we've got installed here, and then from there we can start to perform other operations, which I'll come on to next.